thunderstorm warning for central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Owings Mills, or near Pikesville, and was moving east at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pikesville, Falstaff, Cockeysville, Roland Park, Timonium, Towson, Homeland, Morgan State University, Woodring, Parkville. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away